Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome to English class. Children, please tell me the date today. Today is 29 September 2020. 29 September 2020. And day is Tuesday. Which day? Tuesday. Okay? Now, children, in today's English class, we are going to learn small h. What we are going to learn? Small h. But first, we are going to have a quick recap of the previous letters which we have learned till now. Okay? And you are going to tell me the sound of those letters. Let's start. Which letter is this? A. A says A. B. B, 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 B. K, 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 C. D, 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 D. E, 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 E. F, 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 F. G, 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 G. And what comes after G? It's H. So we are going to learn H. Okay, who is going to tell me how to write capital H? This is the small h which I am going to teach. But who will tell me how to write capital H? Please raise your hand. Okay, we are going to write like this. You remember this? Two standing lines and one sleeping line. This is capital H. And today we are going to learn how to write small h. So let's begin. Children, first thing which you have to do is, I am making this square. 2-3 squares I am making, and I am putting a dot like this. First thing is, first we will make one standing line. In small h, we are going to join the top line also. First we are going to make one standing line. Then from the center of the standing line, we will make one sleeping line and we will turn down and touch the bottom line. This is small h. Again, from the dot, we will make one standing line. From center of the standing line, we will make one sleeping line, turn, come down and touch the bottom line. Understood? I am going to write with the colored chalk also. Color also, let's see. First I will make the square. Then I will put one dot. Then one standing line from the dot. From the center of the standing line, sleeping line, turn, come down and touch the bottom line. Understood? Standing line. Then from the center of the standing line, sleeping line, come down and touch the bottom line. It is very easy. Okay. So in today's worksheet, first side is you are going to write small h. First you have to trace h and then you have to write on single dot. Okay. And I want your work to be very neat. You are going to do it neatly. Okay. Now, then after that, we are going to turn the worksheet. So on the second side, first question is, write the first letter. Okay, you are going to write the first letter. Let's draw the pictures. And you are going to write in small letters. Only small letters. Okay. Keep this in mind. You are going to write small letters, not capital letters. And write the first letters every time you are going to write in small letters. These are the pictures. I hope you all remember the first letter. Okay, children, you are going to write in small letters. And last one is, you are going to tell me the sound. I am not going to tell you, but you are going to say the sound of these letters. Okay? I am not going to tell you which letter is this. Now, first is apple. What is the sound of apple? A. And which letter? A. A says apple. Then ka. C. Egg. E. Fish. F. See, I am writing small letters. I am not writing capital letters. So you have to write only in small letters. Ga. Grapes. G. Flower. F. Baba, ball. B. And duck. D. Okay, in this way you are going to complete this work. Now, the second exercise which is given is you have to color only H sound picture. H sound picture. Which sound pictures? H. And what is the sound of H? Ha. Ha. H. You have to color only H sound picture. Ha. H. So this exercise, I am giving you some example and you are going to do it. Here are the few pictures drawn and you are going to tell me which is H sound picture. Okay? Just see and tell me which is H sound picture. Children, do it yourself, beta, because you have to learn by heart. All the sounds you have to learn by heart. And you are going to tell me H sound pictures. Which is H sound. Okay. Now, first picture is hat. Is it starting with H? Can you hear the sound of H? Hat. Yes. So you are going to color this hat. Okay. Then cloud. Is it starting with H? Can you hear H sound? No, we cannot hear H sound. We are hearing cloud. So it is starting with C. Flower. F sound. F is the sound of which alphabet? Is the sound of which alphabet? F. So this is of H? No. Hen. Yes. So we are going to color hen. Then hut. Yes. We are going to color hut. Ball. No, it is starting with B. So children, these are the few examples of the second question. You are going to see which pictures ma'am has given and which picture is starting with H. Okay? And you are going to color those pictures very neatly. सिर्फ H sound picture की picture को color करना है, बाकी कोई picture को color नहीं करना है. Is it clear? So children, please complete your work and children, listen to your mummy papa. सबको मम्मी पापा की बात माननी है. Okay? And study also. I have got many complaints and children are not studying. You have to study. You have to complete this work and you have to learn by heart. Okay, children, take care. Bye bye.